we're about to hook this junker up real quick, man. Take y'all back here, let y'all see where we're going. All right, y'all, that's the one that we about to get it in, man. About to have to load this. No wheels, no nothing. We're gonna show y'all how to do this, man. Show y'all how to do this, all right? First, we're gonna loosen up the winch. That's the winch. Take this off. Right? Now, y'all, look. See how the car is? It's light. We gotta find a way to pull this car straight on this truck. All right, that's when I'm coming up. Because I know that once there's no steering this car, there's no getting on the truck, there's no none of that. So we gotta find a way to try to get this car on the truck straight. I like those sirens. I said we gotta pull it straight. We're gonna hook on right here. Right here, right? It's called a J-hook. Usually use J-hooks for junkers. Hook on. Right here. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna pull it straight. Because the J-hook is in a direction like that, you're pulling it straight. And if you would put one J-hook on and try to do something easy, it wouldn't have pulled it straight. Now look, you got cinder blocks underneath you. I still wanted to go straight. I don't got a snatch block right now. I kind of want it a little bit more to come over some, just a little bit. So you put the J-hook like that. This is you don't got a snatch block, you know what I mean? There's another problem. See how the cinder blocks are? Now watch what we do. see how we use the cinder blocks to help us. Put this on the back. And the reason why I'm putting it right there, because when you go tighten it up, it's going to move the car over. See? See? Ain't nothing in here that can fly out. That's what you want to check. Nothing in here that can fly out. I ain't cleaning out the car. I just want to make sure there ain't nothing in here that can fly out. This is a good one. They don't need that. It's all in a day's work, man. It's all in a day's work, y'all. It's all in a day's work, man. So we're about to take this to the junkyard. So we dropped them. There was too much going on. I could not show y'all how we dropped them, but we dropped them, man. These are, we brought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we about to go back and get some more, man. Ain't even 10 o'clock at night yet, man. I'm telling you, dawg. We all day, man. We all day, baby.